Hi, Maria here from Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply foundation using the Beauty Junkies Flat Kabuki Brush. The Flat Top Kabuki Brush is the perfect foundation brush for covering blemishes, age spots, and other skin irritations, giving you medium to full coverage. So I'm just gonna pump some on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna take the brush and dip a little bit on there, and then you can start stippling it on your face. You usually wanna start in the places you need the most coverage first. Most people start usually in the center of the face and then work their way out. I tend to need a lot more coverage on the outer portion of my face where I have more blemishes, so that's where I'm gonna start. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start stippling it on there. And I'm going to work on one side first and then move to the other. So once it's kind of stippled on, you can then start to move product around, and you can do that by sweeping just to move the product around, and then you're going to go ahead and blend in circular motions. And as you can see, this gives you beautiful, even airbrush-like coverage. It's very easy to do. This brush does all the work for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And that's it. That's how you use the Beauty Junkies Flat Kabuki to apply your foundation in a few quick and easy steps. Thanks so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.